Okay, we're gonna vlog the some Asian fruits, dried fruit. Alright, you can try. Open it. I don't know what that is. I think that's cherry.
Do we have any scissors?
Yeah, I can go get my red scissors. So she's opening up. And she's gonna tell me how she like it. I think it's gonna be sour. I never had it
It
before.
smells like wine.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh, it's peach. Never mind. It's not cherry. It's baby peach.
Smell it. It smells like wine.
Okay, this is the one that we're trying right here. I don't know. I think it's a peach. Okay, she's gonna try it. You have to eat it all, okay?
You have to eat it too.
And I am. We're about to eat it.
Okay, get yours.
I think it's gonna be really sour. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right? Oh shit. I told you it's gonna be sour. Do you like it though? It's strong. She looks like she's about to cry. It's sour, right?
Yeah.
You see my eyes, dude? Do you think it tastes like vinegar a little?
Well, I'm gonna cry.
I have tissue for you.
I can't.
Go take it out. I can handle it, you. She just spit it out. It's really strong, right?
Maybe more.
I think you will like the other one. This is too sour for me too.
Wow. Is my tongue red?
Yeah.
I dyed my fingers.
Okay, you gonna try the baby one too?
I'm scared now.
Okay, these are not sour, so.
They're good?
Yeah, I think I ate one yesterday. It's the FDA approved. What the fuck? Dude, it really said FDA approved if y'all can see it. It's funny. So you want that. Which one do you want to try? I
Okay.
can't read this. It said carbohydrate 15 G, fat 1, protein. Ready to eat. Oh, I think this is gonna be a little spicy because I can see chili.
Spicy?
Yeah.
Hot.
I don't like the aftertaste. That one is too sour. I think this is the same. These two are the same. Main. I don't know what it means.
Wait, you ate one of these yesterday?
I think so, but it looks pretty good.
It's not even open.
Yeah, open it. So we're just vlogging here, eating all the food, all the fruits now. I think that'll be good. Take one. Let me
I'm
see.
so
Let me
scared
taste that
now.
fruit. It's oh, they're big too. Oh, they're sweet. It's sweet. You like it. It's not sour. You like it? It's not bad. I like it. Yeah, but you like this one, right?
It's not bad.
No.
Oh, shit.
You like it? I really want to know what kind of fruit they are because I can't read.
Yeah, I made some water.
We'll just try this. I don't even know what it is.
You know what it tastes like?
What?
It tastes like somebody like mixed a bunch of spices together.
But it's a fruit. It's like, you know how raisin are? Yeah. They just dry it and then I think I don't know how they do it.
That does not taste like a raisin.
I say like how it is. I don't know if these are the same.
It's not even sweet. It tastes like my spice cabinet.
What the heck? Okay,
So far,
they're
this
all
is my
different.
favorite.
We can try this. This is the same, so we don't open that one. I don't know how to do. I wish I knew how to read it. But you like this one, right? But this is her favorite though. Let's see, let me try. They have crab one too. They're big. They're not expensive either. They're like $9. I mean, not $9. $1.99.
I love these.
I'll send you when I get home.
Okay.
Like packages. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited? Oh my god! Steady.
I'm scared now.
Excuse my voice, guys. It's not bad.
Well,
At least you like it. It's not bad like the first one. The first one is too strong. For like someone, you know, that's not from Burma would try it. That'd be too strong. It smells like whole vinegar for me. It's not bad. You want this one? Or you want to get another one?
what's it taste like?
It's kind of the same, but not sour, not spicy. Like that. Eat it. It's a baby one. It's not bad, right? It tastes different, right? They're all similar for me. Do you understand?
I think that one. I think it tastes the same.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, I think so too. Well, we can see that they're the same kind of name. Look at it. It looks the same, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, these two taste the same, but this one seems more spicy, more I don't know, ingredient. I guess.
More spicy.
Yeah. All right. Last one. Well, not that one. The same. I don't think. I feel like they're not the same. At the same time, I don't know. I can't read. Burmese. I don't know what it is. You want to bite? You don't have to eat it all. I don't know what it is. You like that one? This and this is the same, so we can have. Our last one. You don't like it? It's not good.
I like that one better than the other ones.
Really?
Yeah.
This one?
Uh-huh.
You ready? I think this is gonna be spicy a little.
Hold on.
This is our last one.
What's it smell like?
I can't describe it.
I'm so scared.
Oh shit. This is not bad. You wanna lick that? Oh, you wanna do this? It's good. I like it. You like it?
Those are spicy.
Yeah, it's spicier. Oh yeah.
But I do like the taste better than the other ones.
Yeah, I like the taste better too. I was about to say, it
It's still
tastes
my
like
favorite.
barbecue. It's barbecue color.
These would.
Yeah, I like that one. Alright. We should just try it. Probably like, I don't know. They all taste the same to us, so I don't know how many different kind of snack we try. But I think I'm gonna eat this. I like this. It's really good. Ooh. Oh my god, I got on my feet. Oh, and that's pretty sticky. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching, guys. If you wanna see me vlog more, thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. I'm just starting on it. So don't judge me, guys.